Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I'm so excited to share today's tutorial with you. Here we are creating a stunning beaded Christmas ornament that's perfect for decorating your tree and gifting to your loved ones. It's a very beginner friendly tutorial. Even my beginner beader friend would love to make these beaded Christmas ornaments. So here I have already made this Christmas ornament in blue color, that is the Montana color, and one more in our Christmas colors, the reds and the greens. And in today's video, we are going to make this gorgeous beaded Christmas ornament in red color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our beaded Christmas ornament in red color. Friends, for making our Christmas ornament, here we are going to use 6 pearls. I'm using these in white color. Then I'm using these 15 O's. These are Milky Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 15 O's and 11 O's in two shades. This is the accent color. This is Milky Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 11 O's and this is the base color. These are Milky Matte Metallic Brick Red 11 O's. Here I'm going to use these 2 by 3 mm rondelles in red color, then 10 mm Rivoli crystal in crystal color. Here I will also need one head pin. If you don't have the head pin, don't worry. We will make the loop like this with the beads only. So here I'll be working with Milky thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, here I have taken about 6 feet long single thread, and now we will start making our beaded ornament by picking up 6 pearls, and now I'm bringing these down towards the end of my thread, and now tying a double knot like this, and now I'm going to pass through all these 6 pearls, pulling in the tail and between the pearls like this. And this is the tail here into this first pearl, and here as I'm exiting through this 6 pearl, I'm picking up 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 2 11 red. So here I have picked up these 7 beads, 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 2 11 red, back into the 6 pearl like this, into the next 6 pearl. Now picking up 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 1 11 red. Now I have picked up 6 beads, 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 1 11 red, and I'm going to pass through the last 11 red from the first pearl. So here we have 7 beads in all, 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 2 11 red, and into the second pearl to which I'm exiting right now, like this. Into the next pearl, Again picking up 6 11os, 2 11o red, 3 11o champagne and 1 11o red. These 6 beads into the last 11o of the previous set back into the 6 pearl. This. So this way I'm going to add the set of these 11os round all these 6 pearls and come back. Now here I'm exiting through this last, that is the 6th 6 pearl, and from adding these 11os round this pearl I'm just stepping up into the first 11o of this set, the next pearl, the set round the next pearl. I'm taking 1 11o from here. So now I'm picking a 1 11o red, 3 11o champagne and 1 11o red. For the last pearl I have picked up only 5 11os, 1 11o red, 3 11o champagne and 1 11o red. As I have taken 1 11o from this set and 1 from this previous set, and here into this 11o and into the 6 pearl like this, and now up through this 11o. So here you can see the look, and now before proceeding further we're going to cut this tail off, and here as I'm exiting through this 11o red, stepping up into this next 11o red and the next two 11o champagne, exiting through the middle 11o champagne. So here you can see I'm exiting through this middle 11o champagne, and now as I'm exiting through this 11o champagne I'm picking up 1 15o, 1 round tail and 1 15o, the set of these 3 beads, 1 15o round tail and 1 15o, and into this next 11o, the middle 11o champagne of the next set, like this. Again picking up 1 15o, 1 round tail and 1 15o, the set of these 3 beads through the middle 11o of the next set. Again picking up 1 15o, 1 round tail and 1 15o, the set of these 3 beads into the middle 11o of the next set. And this way I'm going to add the set of these 3 beads all through this round. And here I'm adding my last set of these 3 beads and into the middle 11o of the first set, like this. So here stepping up into the 15o and the round tail, and here I'm going to place my reveille into this case. So very gently just placing my reveille into the case, and here after placing my reveille, as I'm exiting through this round tail, I'm picking up 1 15o champagne into the next round tail, holding my reveille in place very gently. We have to do this step. Again picking up 1 15o into the next round tail, picking up 1 15o into the next round tail, This way I'm going to add 15 O's in between these rondelles all through this round. And this is my last 15 O into the round tail. I'm going to pass through all these beads, the 15 O, round tail, and the 15 O's. Once again, just to reinforce. Like this. So you can see the look. And now, after exiting through this last rondelle, the sixth one, moving down through the 15 O, 11 O, and through all these 11 O's. Through this 15 O and the next four 11 O's, like this, into the 6 pearl and into the next 6 pearl. And here, as I'm exiting through the 6 pearl, I'm going to add one more component like this. So here I'm picking up 4 6 pearls, so here are my 4 6 pearls, and as I'm exiting through this one, I'm going to pass through the previous one. We have to take 2 6 pearls from this first component, and I'm just passing through this one. So here for this next component we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 6 pearls up through the next one, like this. I'm going to pass through all these 6 pearls once again. To this 6 pearl, like this. Now I'm going to add these embellishment on the top of this set. So here, as I'm exiting through this 6 pearl, I'm going to pick up 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 2 11 red. The set of same 7 11 that we have added in the previous component back into the 6 pearl, into the next 6 pearl, like this. And now I'm going to pick up 6 11 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 1 11 red. The set of these 6 11 I'm going to pass through this last 11 added to the previous set back into the 6 pearl, like this, into the next 6 pearl, again picking up the set of same 6 11 2 11 red, 3 11 champagne, and 1 11 red, into the last 11 red from the previous set and into our 6 pearl like this. And this way I'm going to add these 11 O's all through this round. And here I'm exiting through this last pearl, the 6th pearl, and I'm going to add the 11 O's here. So I'm just stepping up into the first 11 O of the added on this first pearl. Now I'm going to pick up only 5 beads, 1 11 O red, 3 11 O champagne, and 1 11 O red, and down through the last 11 O of the previous set and into the 6 pearl like this, up through these two 11 O's and the next two 11 O's, all four 11 O's of the first set like this. And here I'm going to add the bezel case for my rivoli by adding the round tails. So I'm picking up 115 O, 1 round tail, and 115 O. Right now I'm exiting through the middle 11 O champagne of this first set. So I'm picking up these 3 beads and into the middle 11 O of the next set like this. Again picking up 115 O, 1 round tail, and 115 O, these 3 beads into the middle 11 O champagne of the next set. This way I'm going to add the set of these 3 beads all through this round. Here I'm adding my last set into this middle 11 of the first set like this. Now very gently I'm going to place my rivoli into this case like this, up through this 15 O and the round tail, and picking up 115 O into the round tail, 115 O into the next round tail. This way I'm going to add 15 O's all through this round. And here I'm adding my last 15 O into the round tail. And I'm going to pass through all these beads, the rondelles and 15 O's, one more round through all these beads to reinforce like this. And here you can see. And now after exiting through this round tail, moving down through 15 O, 11 O, and through these 11 O red, down through this 6 pearl, and into the next two 6 pearls like this.